In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule appointments on Bank of America for the year 2025. Whether you're looking to open a new account, discuss an auto loan, apply for a credit card, or even find notary services, Bank of America makes it easy to reserve a time that suits your needs. Let's dive into how you can quickly and efficiently schedule an appointment using either the Bank of America mobile app or their website. First, you'll want to open the Bank of America mobile app, which can easily be found on your smartphone, or head over to bankofamerica.com/appointment. Both the app and the website provide a straightforward way to book your appointment. Once you're there, you'll need to look for the familiar menu icon, which is represented by three horizontal lines, sometimes referred to as the hamburger icon, at the top of your screen. Tap on this icon and a list of options will unfold in front of you. From this menu, scroll down and choose the option labeled Schedule an Appointment. Once you've selected the option, you will then be prompted to choose the reason for your visit. Bank of America offers a range of services, so at this point, it's important to specify what you need. Options include opening a new account, discussing an auto loan, applying for a credit card, or perhaps requiring notary services. Selecting the correct option helps ensure you are directed to the right expert when you arrive at the branch. Next, you'll be asked to enter either your zip code or the city you reside in. This helps the system locate nearby Bank of America financial centers. You'll then be presented with a list of branches so you can find one that's most convenient for you. Once you've picked your desired branch, it's time to select your appointment date and time. You'll see a schedule of available dates and times. Simply choose what works best for you, keeping in mind your personal schedule and the branch's opening hours. Now comes the final step before confirmation. You will need to enter your contact information. It is crucial that you provide accurate details because this information is used to send you a confirmation of your appointment. Once you've filled out all necessary fields, simply tap on Confirm Appointment. Rest assured, you'll receive a confirmation email or text detailing your appointment specifics. This ensures you have all the information you need at the ready when your appointment day arrives. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled an appointment at Bank of America. Thank you for following along. If you have any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Bank of America's customer support. Have a great day and good luck with your upcoming appointment.